Today I'm doing a drone flight over Long Meg and Her Daughters in Cumbria. The big stone at the bottom of the screen, that is Long Meg, and it casts a shadow right to the other side of the stone circle. When it reaches the other side, it marks the point of winter solstice, which is the shortest day of daylight and the longest night. So this is a sundial, like most other UK stone circles. 2 fields away from this is another stone circle called Little Meg, but the stones are no longer in the original order. They are what we call confused. They've been moved over time. So this little stone circle isn't too far away from Long Meg and Her Daughters. However, you will have to go through a field to get to it. To get to Long Meg, if you're starting at Penrith, you have to get the A686 to Langworthby, and then from Langworthby to Little Salkeld. From Little Salkeld, you continue along the road about half a mile to a mile, turn left and go up 200 metres to a car park. From the car park, you walk up a footpath until you come to Long Meg and Her Daughters. If you want to go to Little Meg, you have to go from the car park back to the main road, along about a mile, park on the left and walk through a field. 50 metres in on your left hand side, you will come to Little Meg.